Hey, this is Chantel with WTI. When I received this Wusthof 16-piece icon set as an anniversary gift, I was so excited. My dad was a butcher for over 30 years, so it was really important for me to get a high quality knife set. These Wusthof knives are made from a high carbon stainless steel, so they are very heavy duty, which is what I was looking for. The design of the Blackwood handles make them so comfortable and easy to hold. And having a knife for every type of cutting has been really great. Whether I'm slicing, dicing, or chopping, the sharpness of all of these knives are way better than any knife I have ever owned. And being able to cut through steak like it's butter is pretty impressive. These knives are hand wash only, which keeps them looking brand new. And I occasionally use a food grade mineral oil to keep them protected and shiny. I am confident that this knife set is going to last me many, many years. And look how beautiful it is just sitting on my countertop. But that's just my point of view.